enough of Aiden Ross. Let's get into Cody from Xposed. So it looks like him, everybody in between. I mean, Steve will do it, Dana White. They're all there at the Red Rock. And this time we've got Cody from Xposed playing some high-limit blackjack. And let's dive into it, you guys. Like always, like, subscribe, go over to Cody's channel. Let's have some fun.
Yeah,
guys, how's the quality? Good? All right, let's do this shit. Come on. We have 20K here. Yeah, 2250. We brought in 35,000 in this
The
session.
audio is overblown.
2 hands, 5K apiece.
Hey, better card viewing the camera. I hear you guys all the time. The camera guys having ADD.
Yeah.
So it's all good.
It's okay. You don't want to, buddy.
Come on, big fucking hand. 20,000. Here we go. Come on. Yep. 10. No 10. All right.
Easy work. Bust
Come
out.
on, bust it.
Bust out.
Let's go.
5.
No. Every time. Okay.
Do we have a starting amount by chance?
What is this, Raz? Hold on.
Just bet.
What are you in? Are you playing this now?
No, just bet it, yeah.
There you go. Good call.
Thanks, brother. Come on, let's go. Come on.
How funny if you got, like,
Come on.
how funny.
10.
No way, man.
It's because I'm on it, bro.
What the f?
Alright. Where's the bag at?
Another stack?
Do you want to just give me chips for cash or save the time?
Yeah.
What do you got?
What is that, 25?
Whatever you want.
Oh, don't,
50?
don't open it.
How much is that?
50.
Alright, 50. Here we go. Oh man, here we go. Another 50, guys.
Come on, start off right. Start off right.
All I can say is he's probably down like 100.
Don't have it.
Are you f***ing kidding me, bro?
No.
Dude, my luck with these vibes. I'm telling you, I don't know what it is. It's crazy.
That's what happened to Caesars. It was good after that, right? So maybe.
Alright, I'll be back. Yo, this is f***ing ridiculous.
Alright.
I haven't won a hand yet.
No.
It's crazy, bro.
It's just
10-2, 10-2.
Take a couple low cards.
10. 10.
Hey, here we go.
Nice. Come on.
What time?
Oh. The thing is flipped though.
Come on, let's go. 20K. Let's go.
When you back.
Come on. 10, 8.
3. It's all good.
No 10.
4. What I
Good.
thought.
Come on, just bust it. Bust it.
5.
No. Win one, lose one. It's fine.
Could have been worse.
Yeah, it could have been. Oh, come on. 9.
Nice. 6.
I still can't believe
on.
Aiden came back
Dude.
with 500 grand.
Fucking huge. Okay.
7.
$20,000 double here.
No.
Got a double.
Soft 14 versus 3.
No.
Soft 14 versus 3.
Could take away that 10. See,
It sure is, and I'm a greedy little fucking sack of shit.
$80,000 hand. Bust out.
Come on, please. Bust!
Nice.
Let's go! Woo!
Fucking go. Sack of shit. Ace on the 11.
I knew you'd be loud. She covered her ears.
$80,000
Let's
hand.
go! Come on!
Kind of.
Let's fucking go. Yes, we are.
But it still scares me.
Best sound, eh?
I love that one. Oh my god.
Let's go. Come on.
So,
Come on.
I slapped you pretty hard.
It's alright. Slap me.
Power slap.
Fucking slap me.
no, we don't need another bet.
2, 3. Come on, just bust. No 10.
Big one.
Bust.
Big one.
Yeah.
Let's go. We're running. We're running. We're running. We're running. We're running. We're running.
Literally,
Do the magician.
you think I'm so cool?
Look at this.
You taught me how to do that?
Whoa!
What? You're not.
Hey, what?
Okay, you gotta teach me.
Dude, he's good.
So cool.
You see that? Dude, he's fucking good, eh,
I
Chad?
can be a magician.
Exactly. You gotta teach me
Fucking
that.
Schindler and
Fucking
bullshit.
crazy, dude.
Yeah,
Good. Come on, let's go. We're on a little ride here.
You gotta learn that trick next.
That's
Make it
true.
come back.
No 10.
15.
7-6. I gotta make one here. Gotta make one here.
You got it. 3,
Come on,
4.
5, 6.
Okay.
That's perfect. That's
Nice.
perfect. That's perfect.
Great hit.
Let's go, Mikey.
Come on, let's go, baby.
Come on, let's go.
Sorry, good.
Yeah.
Ace.
No 10.
Bang.
Down and dirty, standing here. Okay, $20,000 double down. What do you got?
10. Dog
Ace.
shit.
That's tough.
Dude, back-to-back sevens, man.
That's tough. That's tough. Go ahead, just one. Yep.
I like this. I like the switch up.
Yep.
6.
Yep. Big.
10.
Good.
20. 4. 14.
Take that. That's fine.
You
Whatever.
make you think about it. It's so scary.
You're right.
You know, I was surprised
15,
that
10
Aiden
here.
wants to
Let's go. I'm
screw.
gonna
You
go
guys
double
check
down
out
right
some of the videos that I've done.
8, 7.
They kept really consistent on their betting and
Always a
staying
10, huh?
within the
Big.
hands, and they still came out
Bang.
on top.
17. 10.
Bang! Let's go.
Below, baby.
Let's go. Let it ride. Let
Ace.
it.
Nothing
Let
else,
it
nothing
ride.
else.
50,
Good enough.
15,
Let it ride. Come on, let's go.
15.
Come on.
15K.
Come on. That's tough. Wow. Come on. 9-8.
Let's see you get the 8.
I know, never.
16.
That's all right. That was a good shoe. It was a good shoe. Ready? You good over there, buddy?
Looks good here.
Cut this one. I want to blame you if I lose.
Oh,
Yep.
no.
Cut it.
You got it, you got it.
Cody, you
All right,
just
come
did
on.
so good
You're good to me.
practice.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're good to me. You're good to me.
I know, it's so much
I know you were good.
So he's got 75K right
He
now.
touched it last.
Yep.
So we gotta blame him half.
Come on. Let's go. 2 hands at $10,000 at Red Rock. Here we go. 9 there.
11.
Ooh.
Please,
Come on.
Please,
Down.
Please.
4, 3,
Please, Anoush.
nothing. Gotta have a 10
Come on,
there.
come
It's gonna be a
on.
4.
Motherfucker, man.
Yep. Got you. Good.
Okay.
No bullshit. Why do I
do
smell
nothing
something? Why do I
bullshit,
smell
dude.
something? Good.
Holy.
Good. Made that back.
It was just you.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Nice.
Don't.
No way.
Thank you.
No way.
Come on. No way, dude.
I won.
No way.
Losing on 20
Come
dude.
on.
One, dude.
It should be illegal.
Oh my God.
Like that.
15, 16. Is that 21?
Us for the first time in your life.
Oh my God, dude. That's fucking crazy. You gotta be kidding me. Like, come on. Paint this
Paint
one.
it.
Of course not.
Bro, she's getting this fucking 10.
8-7.
Either
Come
way.
on. I deserve something.
7.
13, 14, 15, 16.
17.
Oh, 17?
Don't.
Come on.
No
We are owed one.
Oh. That's good.
Bust.
16.
Bang. That's huge. That's fucking huge.
Massive swing.
All right. I'll show you a 40K swing. $40,000. Let's go. Come on. Massive.
Shitballs.
Please, come on. 220s. Make it easy. One of them at least.
Okay.
6. You got it.
Come on. Please.
Buzz, Anoush. Don't do
Just
this.
bust.
The twos are so
Two.
scary.
10.
10. Come on. Picture.
Yes.
Let's go. Bang!
$80,000.
Let's go, Mike.
You know, Aiden made a good point yesterday,
$80,000
or that last video that I did.
Let's go.
It's like,
Holy, you spanked
when
me.
you bet,
Let's go.
keep it consistent,
Take it off the
Yep,
and then you
take
need
it down.
to press. And so I like how he pressed, like,
Yeah.
while he was on a little
Know
heater.
when to raise. That's how you do that.
Come
It's
on.
like, I do a bet.
Let's go. That's fucking massive.
great.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's
He didn't
go.
cut it. I did.
Let's go, Raj. You're the man, bro.
Yeah, you did.
He touched it last. Yeah, that's true.
Let's fucking go, dude. That's incredible. That's fucking incredible. Okay.
Dude, she had an
Massive.
11.
That was
Hold on, just give me a second.
She had, so that
She had an 11.
21 she could have.
Let's see.
Came in with. What,
Yeah.
What'd I get?
Limit?
hold on. What did I do?
50-50, right?
What did I deposit?
100 total. No?
50 from Raz, and then your original one was 30.
35? So 85.
Yeah.
And I want to make 100K. So we need to get to 185. What we got here? We got 100, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, we're 40K away from where we want to be at. 40K. Where we want to be at. Let's go. Come on.
$16-16 gets to 17.
Small.
16.
I'm gonna wave them both. I need to take a hit on one of them actually. I gotta take a hit on one. Come on.
Smart move.
I'm waving that one. I think it's a
Smart
9
move.
under.
Let's see. Wow.
That's alright. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
I say the table.
It's gonna be a 10. You know it's gonna be a 10.
Oh.
Fuck off.
That slap, dude.
No.
So many tens. I know. Every fucking hand's a 10, dude.
That's me. Nice.
Come on, dude.
It's alright.
Good shoe, though.
Yeah, that was a fucking great shoe, Raz.
If you hit that last one, it'll be good. Right here.
I don't do side bets here, guys. I don't really like them. Don't really like them. Raz, you want another one?
Yeah, cut it.
Back to back.
Where's the gem? Where's the fucking gem?
It was a gem. Make sure Red touches it last. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yo, Keem, start timing out that comment, bro, alright?
I got it.
Okay, good, Sass. Yeah, be on it. Show with that. Come on. 8. No 10. No 10. 5, 6. 3.
Good.
A bust. Nothing.
No.
Didn't have that.
Can we just get some waters? Oh no, they have some. I'll get one. I'll take one. Two.
I'll take one, too.
You want the glass?
They're good.
Did you?
Yes.
Get
Good.
the glass ones for him.
Do the glass one
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
I wouldn't leave you. Why'd you do that? Why'd you pull it back?
Oh, I think hit me.
Come on, 20K hand. Yep, one hand. Let's go. Come on. 8-3.
The 15.
Nice hit.
Go. Let's go.
Love Cody.
Let's go.
Need everybody.
I would not leave you hanging, brother. Hold on, hold on. Where we at?
Yeah, be smart.
You made your 40. You made your 40.
Yeah, I think you did.
No, I didn't. No, I just lost 3 hands in a row. You missed that part. Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say, like, there's no way.
Like, you got
Come on. Bang.
Let's go.
Let's go.
even money.
Oh,
What are you doing over there?
Come on, we've been through it all this week. Alright, you got it back, Cody. Chill,
you
chill.
need to go 30. 30.
Chill a little bit. Be smart.
55, 55.
30
Yeah,
away.
definitely be smart.
Yeah.
Smart, don't be dumb. Let's
Yeah.
go.
4-3. Good.
Okay.
What you got?
Easy work, easy
Nothing.
work, easy work, easy work. Oh, my leg!
I knew that was not.
That's tough.
Why did I know that was not? 2s, 3s, 8s.
Hear that, Jake? You're 10 times better than Ross is carrying.
Nothing. Jake is pretty good.
5,
Nice,
11,
perfect.
20.
When it's sober.
Man, come on, dude.
15K.
I thought it busted because you were like, oh, perfect.
Nice. Oh, man. Nothing.
Oh.
Oh, this is...
No way, right?
Nope. Oh, my God.
Come on. Come on.
$30,000 double. This would, I think, put us there. I think it would put us there. I don't know
Let's
for
go.
sure. Come on. Face down.
600.
6, nothing. Come on. Big.
15,
Yep. 10.
12.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Only had a 7 there.
Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go, dude.
Every double's
It's
more.
doubles.
Smart, take some off.
Let's go. I body checked Sass. Did you get
Yeah,
that?
what do you have? What do you want now?
That's it right there. That's what you want.
Let me see. Let me see where I'm at.
You're there.
Because that's what we did last time, and then
10 grand.
60.
yeah.
70. I'm 10 grand away.
No,
Who cares, dude?
you don't chase 10 grand. Last time
Bro,
you did
let's
that, you
chill.
lost it
Our
all.
food and drinks better come
Yeah.
find out.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no sickness is real. Psych, we tricked you. Boom! Okay, 26, 26. 26, don't even think about it, Luce. 10.
It's light. It's too light.
100K. Let's go.
Okay,
go.
my
All right, play till we lose. We gotta play till we lose.
Yep.
My
Just
Just
the way.
is on fire.
You gotta play 2
is.
Your cuts have been fire.
You're gonna even amount. You're gonna even amount.
Play till we lose. We gotta play till we lose.
You're gonna lose eventually.
Not right now.
Why do you say that?
He's at the number he
Come on.
needs, dude.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
There you go.
Let's go. I am.
Let's go. There we go.
What an insane.
Let's go, brother. Let's go.
Wow, that was some great cuts.
Thank you.
Let's go, Raz. Good fucking cuts,
Back
good.
to back.
It's the least I can do.
Thank you.
Insane.
It's a good problem to have.
Get her mine.
So 185.
We have a.
Oh, you got it? I got it, Raz. I got it. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you. I'll take that.
130, so it's kind of.
Raz, we're good. We're good.
What did it say? Come on,
You know, grilled cheese and
I gotta make some slot content, so
50, 55, 60,
I gotta make slot
65,
content.
70.
Yeah, slot content will be
I
alright.
gotta do some. Let's go chill a little bit.
Yo, that was cool, man. I always love seeing when they come back, and this is just a great way and reason why you need to have a bet structure and have a goal. Because like even the last one, like it's starting to make sense. And you know, like I said, I'm not a big gambler when it comes to putting thousands of dollars on the line, but I do like to play some good old blackjack. With that said, you guys, like always, like, subscribe, go over to Cody's channel, Xposed, give him a like, subscribe, go check him out on Kick. With that, love you guys, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya.